This is into our account here with our client, Robert Eason. Okay, as you can see, since the beginning, this is like when he first started. Okay, in February, he started our program. As you can see, January 30th, he opened his Credit Karma up, and as you can see, that this is like the oldest history he has. So that's how you can tell a Credit Karma account is new, is when you see that the history begins right here. So as you can see, he started on January 30th. That's when we actually pulled his credit. Um, yeah, and as you can see already, in just 24 hours, we're able to get a lot of inquiries off. See, all these inquiries are moved, okay? And we got Synchrony Care Credit, which an account got removed. Fingerhut, we got removed, okay? And let's see what else. 52-point increase, right? Very good. Okay. Yeah, look at this. We got Capital One removed. Look at that. A big, huge negative account. Okay, so as you can see, we started on early February, and then end of February, between February 21st and March 4th, we were able to get the Capital One off. It's a charge-off account, okay? And Credit Card Acceptance Co. and Capital One Auto Finance. This is a repossession that we're able to get off, okay? How many of you guys have had a repossession? You've made mistakes, or maybe you lost a job or got divorced and had to give back your car. We can get those off as well, okay? Fingerhut removed. As you can see, his score is already 97 points. He's almost 700 right here. This is amazing. So he went from having horrible credit to now having almost to excellent credit. Okay, so this is what we do. We can literally change your life in just a matter of just a few days. And as you can see here, these accounts got removed as well. And let's go ahead and look at the reports. So this is where he started, 584 and a 100-point increase all the way up to 600. Now let's look at the report so you can see for yourself there's literally no negatives on here, okay? So 0 derogatory accounts, payment history 100%. His credit age is really young, so we're going to add some backdated trade lines and report his rent, and add some really good primary trade lines, and that's going to boost up his FICO score. His credit card utilization is really high, so we're going to get that lower as we add the trade lines too. No, barely any inquiries on here. They're really old, so that doesn't really hurt him too. And as you can see, all positive accounts, right? Minimal inquiries. These are from 2007, right? 2017, really old. No collections, no public records. Okay. All right, and then we can go to the other one, TransUnion, to see the consistency. And as you can see, you look right here, the same thing. 0 derogatory accounts, 88% utilization because it's installment loans, and then a perfect payment history right there. Okay, so yeah, that is it.